There was a collection of paintings that was just sat by the back door. I'd never, ever seen anything like this before.
Casta paintings respond largely to that curiosity about what was happening on the other side of the world, where the king never set foot.
The fact there's a hierarchy based on the colour of your skin, the more or less important you are in society. This is 100% the legacy of the Casta painting thinking.
Because you can't look at these paintings without seeing the links to enslavement, without seeing the links to colonisation.
And their faces, of course, will, at the moment, you just can't see them. And my challenge is that this ground layer here is quite sensitive to solvents, which makes the cleaning quite difficult.
It's a really good question how these paintings ended up in Leicester. So we can work backwards from 1852, when the paintings were donated to the Leicester Museum.
And that's when this very scientific reason came in. We wanted to create that difference.
Yeah, and it's
between us and them.
The thing that you literally just made up as something completely laughable and ridiculous was the life's work of an Italian scientist called Cesare Lombroso.
One of the things that we're bringing out within the exhibition is who controls the narrative.
So we're on the same wavelength. I would put my mortgage on them being part of that. They're the lost ones, I think.
And depending on where your hair fell on this scale could be the difference between life and death. That is where we end up when we start to build these categories and hierarchies.
When you're looking at something, who controls what you're seeing? Who makes those decisions? And I think very much so within these paintings, somebody's made a decision about what they want you to see and what you want to take from that.